Speak English fluently with daily conversations. Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? Want to have better listening comprehension and pronunciation? And boost your speaking skills quickly? Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive learning experience designed to improve your English speaking skills. Now we will have a 4-part exercise. Listening practice. Vocabulary. Listen and answer practice. Shadowing practice. Now, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started. Part 1. English listening practice.
In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better. It turns out,
Hey Mark, how was your day?
"Hi, Emily. My day was busy but good. How about yours?"
Pretty good. I tried cooking a new recipe today.
"Really? What did you make?"
I made homemade pizza. It turns out it's easier than I thought.
"That's awesome. How did it taste?"
It was delicious. I added a lot of cheese and veggies.
"Sounds yummy. I loved pizza. Do you have any leftovers?"
Yes, I saved some. Would you like to try it?
"I'd love to. Thanks, Emily."
No problem. I'll bring it over tomorrow.
"Great. I can't wait to taste it."
I hope you like it. Part 2. Learn vocabulary.
Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily. Vocabulary. Recipe. A set of instructions for preparing a particular dish, including a list of the ingredients required. Example: Emily followed a new recipe to make homemade pizza. It turns out, a phrase used to indicate that something is discovered or becomes known unexpectedly. Example: It turns out making pizza was easier than Emily thought. Leftovers. Food remaining after a meal that can be eaten later. Example: Emily saved some leftovers from the pizza she made. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answers the questions out loud.
Hey Mark, how was your day?
Did Emily ask Mark about his money? No, she didn't. She didn't ask Mark about his money. What did Emily ask Mark about? She asked Mark how his day was. "Hi, Emily. My day was busy but good." Was Mark's day busy? Yes, it was. Mark's day was busy. How about yours?
Pretty good. I tried cooking a new recipe today.
Did Emily cook something new today? Yes, she did. Emily tried cooking a new recipe today? Really? What did you make?
I made homemade pizza.
Did she make a cake? No, she didn't. She didn't make a cake. What did Emily make? She made homemade pizza.
It turns out it's easier than I thought.
Did Emily find making pizza difficult? No, she didn't. It turns out making pizza was easier than she thought. That's awesome. How did it taste?
It was delicious. I added a lot of cheese and veggies.
Did Emily enjoy the pizza she made? Yes, she did. Emily said it was delicious. Did she add a lot of bananas to her pizza? No, she didn't. She didn't add bananas. Did she add chocolate to her pizza? No, she didn't add chocolate. What did Emily add to her pizza? She added a lot of cheese and veggies. Sounds yummy. I loved pizza. Does Mark hate pizza? No, he doesn't hate pizza. Does Mark like pizza? Yes, he does. Mark loves pizza. Do you have any leftovers?
Yes, I saved some.
Did Emily save any leftovers? Yes, she did. Emily saved some leftovers. What did Emily save? The leftover pizza. She saved some leftover pizza.
Would you like to try it?
I'd love to. Thanks, Emily. What did Emily offer to Mark? She offered him to try the leftover pizza. Did Mark accept Emily's offer? Yes, he did. Mark said he'd love to try it.
No problem. I'll bring it over tomorrow.
When will Emily bring the pizza over? She will bring it over tomorrow. Great! I can't wait to taste it.
I hope you like it.
Is Mark looking forward to tasting the pizza? Yes, he is. Mark said he can't wait to taste it. What did Emily hope about Mark tasting the pizza? She hoped he would like it.
Part 4, Shadowing Practice.
Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Recite your lines out loud after the speakers say them during the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin.
Hey, Mark, how was your day? Pretty good. I tried cooking a new recipe today. I made homemade pizza. It turns out it's easier than I thought. It was delicious. I added a lot of cheese and veggies. Yes, I saved some. Would you like to try it? No problem. I'll bring it over tomorrow. I hope you like it.
Hi, Emily. My day was busy but good. How about yours? Really? What did you make? That's awesome. How did it taste? Sounds yummy. I loved pizza. Do you have any leftovers? I'd love to. Thanks, Emily. Great. I can't wait to taste it. Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills.